bits and pieces here. Look at this poor cat. He's been deformed. He's got one eye. About to go snorkeling and everything too. What are you doing? On the market on post-apocalyptic fashion, huh? Need more axes and chainsaws.
What should the shotgun?
Yeah, what if up there it's
What? Lumberjacks?
zombies? Though even Howard doesn't think that one's plausible. You should hear his theory about